Hey, Carl. So, I'm not sure how you want to preface this, but it could be a supplemental way to help the kids to learn what you're teaching them faster. It could be a supplemental way to let the kids know that this is something that they can use in all areas of their life. I'm not quite sure how you want to do that. You and I should talk about it. But here's how I do it, and I'll just do it, and then you can take from it what you want. We can have a conversation and make it work out. What I ask people is this: how many people in the room are fast learners? Okay. Quite often I'll have one or two people put their hands up, but usually not many. How many people can learn something by just hearing it once, seeing it once, or doing it once? And they'll be able to utilize it right away and then for the rest of their life. That means that you'll be able to learn something once and take a test and remember it. Be able to physically do something like learning a kata or learning a playbook or something like that. The hands go back down again. So you let them know that this is what we're going to do. I'm going to teach you a very easy technique, and what it's going to do is going to help to prepare your brain and your body to learn at a very fast rate and to be able to recall that information anytime you want. We all have a little voice in us, that little voice of self-doubt. Comes in once in a while, sometimes learning different things. We all have it. And this is going to address that voice, and we're going to turn it way down so that you can't hear it anymore. Okay, ready to go? Everybody ready to do this? Super. What I want you to do is I want you to tap on the side of your hand. Okay, this is the first point, Carl. This is called the karate chop point. If you bend your finger like this, and you got that little point right there, okay, that's where it's at. Finger up, full hand over it, you can't miss it. Everybody's going to tap on the side of their hand. Everybody got it ready? Good. Tap on the side of your hand and repeat after me. Even though I'm not a very fast learner, or I'm a fast learner but want to be a faster learner, I'm okay because I'm ready to learn. Even though I'm not a real fast learner, but I really want to be, and I want to be able to remember everything that I learn the first time around. I'm really okay with myself because I'm really ready to learn this. And you just say that one more time. Then what you do is you go, I'm a fast learner. I sometimes get nervous, but all I have to do is hear it once, see it once, or do it once. And I'll be able to, I'll remember it right away, and I'll be able to utilize it for the rest of my life. I'm a fast learner. I'm a fast learner. I'm a fast learner. All I have to do to learn anything is to hear it once, see it once, or do it once. And I'll know it right away, and I'll be able to use it whenever I need to for the rest of my life. And then you finish by going like this. Everybody ready? Tap around your right ear, kind of like you're bringing your hair back behind your ear, but I just want you to tap and go, I'm a fast learner. I learn things really fast. I can retain them, and I can utilize it right away and for the rest of my life. I love learning. I love learning. I love learning because I'm a fast learner. And then when you finish, you go, everybody, one, put your hands up. You go, 1, 2, 3, yes! Okay? That's it. And then you go right into what you're doing. Okay? Remember, this is not something that they're going to intellectually understand. This is something they're going to physically feel. Okay? And that's what you really want, because then when you start teaching, they have a subconscious preset mindset now that anything that you tell them and anything that you teach them, they're going to get it right away. It makes total sense. I totally got this. This is amazing. I'm going to be able to use this for the rest of my life. You're teaching them under the influence of them already believing that all I need to do is hear this once, see it once, or do it once. I got it. I'm going to be able to utilize this information that Carl's teaching me for the rest of my life, and I'll be able to recall it anytime I need to without having to think about it. It's right here. It's right there already. Okay? So, watch this. Try it yourself. Visualize yourself doing this to a group of people, taking them through the exercise. And remember, here's the points again. Karate chop point. The eyebrow point right here. 2 fingers. 2 fingers here. You can't miss these points if you just use 2 fingers. 2 fingers underneath the eye. 2 fingers underneath the nose, underneath the chin, and underneath the, and then collarbone point right here. A secondary benefit to you, Carl, is this. This takes all of their young minds and it focuses them real fast, okay? It also drops their cortisol levels down. So if you've got any ADD kids who are, they're running around, it just calms everybody down. I mean, I've got people now the teachers using this in their classrooms. And within 3 minutes, they got everybody's attention, everybody's chill, and everybody's focused on that teacher, ready to learn. They absolutely are amazed how well this works. And so they do it every day in class. Okay? So check it out. Call me as soon as you have seen this, tried it a few times, and we'll work out some kinks. We'll work out some messaging in between so that it flows better with what you're trying to teach. Make sure that we're not conflicting with our messages, and you can rock it. All right, man.